Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we dive into the latest and most exciting automotive releases. Today we're talking about a car that has Porsche enthusiasts buzzing, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster. This car takes everything we love about Porsche and cranks it up a notch, all while staying true to its roots. The 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster is a stunning evolution of the already beloved mid-engine roadster. With a sleek design that blends performance and luxury, it's clear Porsche has put its best foot forward. From the moment you see it, the Boxster makes a statement. The sleek curves, aggressive front bumper, and those unmistakable side air intakes immediately scream performance. But it's not just about looks. Underneath the skin, it's a pure driving experience waiting to happen. Now let's talk about what's powering this beauty. The 2025 Boxster has made waves by introducing both traditional combustion engine options as well as the new electric variants. With the introduction of the all-electric 718 Boxster, Porsche is blending its iconic roadster style with future-ready electric performance. For those who crave the classic Porsche feel, the traditional turbocharged flat-4 engine remains an option. It's a car that can go from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, all while providing a level of handling and feedback that only a Porsche can deliver. On the electric side, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster gets an impressive boost in performance. The fully electric variant is packed with a dual-motor setup, ensuring all-wheel drive capabilities, instant torque, and exhilarating acceleration. The electric Boxster offers a seamless blend of Porsche's legendary driving dynamics with the future of automotive propulsion. Plus, with the promise of a 400-mile range on a single charge, the 718 Boxster won't just be a track day toy, but a fully functional, everyday roadster for those looking to embrace the electric revolution. The interior is, as you'd expect from Porsche, a masterclass in design. The cabin is minimalist, yet luxurious, with a focus on driver engagement. The driving position is perfect, with all the controls falling easily to hand. Porsche's infotainment system is as intuitive as ever, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a large touch behind a stunning new digital gauge cluster. Whether you're out for a weekend cruise or hitting the track, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster is all about comfort and control. But what truly sets the 718 Boxster apart from its competitors is its balance. The mid-jean layout gives it that perfect 50/50 weight distribution, meaning every corner you take feels sharp and precise. This car is built to be driven, and whether you're cruising along winding roads or pushing it to its limits, the Boxster provides an unmatched level of feedback. As we look to the future, Porsche continues to push boundaries. The 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster proves that they are not just maintaining their legacy, but redefining what a roadster can be in the modern era. Whether you go for the gas or electric version, the 2025 Boxster is the perfect combination of power, style, and technology. So if you're in the market for a sports car that offers thrills, elegance, and cutting-edge tech, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster might just be the perfect choice. Thanks for tuning in to this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video here on the Car Collective. Until next time, drive safe and keep dreaming about your next car.